of this thing. I said, hold the hand for me right there. All right, hold still. You got gas in it, right?
Off, you want me to pull it?
All right, first thing you do is you take this carburetor off.
Yeah, I know how to do that.
All right.
Good at that. I already took that off.
All right. Now,
Now.
you look down on the inside right there, and you push that. Do you see if
Yep,
it's shooting any gas?
I did do that.
Okay. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that when you hear it pumping gas through this, that's good. But if it still doesn't drive, then you need to take this off, start it, and then put your hand just for a minute. I mean, like just for a little bit. You know, it's like try that, and it should suck the gas up through there and start it and pick it up. Yeah, go ahead and start it up. All right, so what was happening when you started it, it was stopped up a little bit, but it wasn't enough suction because it was pulling air through the carburetor. So what you did when you started it, then I pushed that and then it started. I put my hand on that, and that made it suck through the tank, and it was just enough suction to come through the tank to unstop it. So because what I did is I cut out the air. I cut out the air from here, and it started sucking up through here. And see, and then it was, as soon as it sucked up through there, it started to run. It pulled the gas up and started to run.
I gotcha.
But then what you should do at the end of the season, you should always run it out of gas. Before you put it away, you should just let it run and let it run out of gas. That way the gas won't clog up the little holes. Because it's a small little hole that the gas has to come through. And if you leave gas in there, what it does, the gas kind of vaporizes, but it leaves behind like a residue, and it'll clog it up. So what you do is you just run it completely out of gas, and then when you go to start in the spring, you put gas in it, and you shouldn't have that problem. Okay, we're going to put that back on and see if it starts.